Today's featured car of the day is a 1959 Chevy El Camino. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid $99,000 but did not sell. And if you're wondering why it bid so high, it was a recipient of a Concours restoration. So it was a number one car as far as condition goes. And unfortunately for the seller, just didn't have the buyers there for the auction to buy it that day. But anyway, it was definitely a nice car in the right color. Had 348 tri-power V8 engine with automatic transmission and power steering and brakes, and was driven very few miles since it was restored. So it was definitely a nice one, that's for sure. And like I mentioned, this is the first generation El Camino, which went for 2 years, 1959 and 1960. And it was basically based on the Chevy Brookwood station wagon, the two-door station wagon. But you could get any engine that Chevy offered in the full-size car. So that's why this one had the 348 with the tri-power, I believe with the solid lifters. And as far as sales go, the first year they sold 22,246 El Caminos, and that beat out the Ford Ranchero, which sold 21,706. Its first year made in '57. But for 1960, the sales dropped down to 14,163. So and that was it until 1964 when the second generation El Caminos came out. But they're definitely unique cars, and definitely usable as a little mini pickup truck. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1959 Chevrolet El Camino with a Concours restoration. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.